everyone. So today I'm going to create a video to review how this dishwasher is. This is from Voltas. This is called Beko. This is 8 plate setting, and for me this has worked so well. We have been using this for the past 1 year. So I have loaded the dirty dishes here. You can see, so we had guests last night, so all the utensils that you see are mostly glassware. So one more thing, this dishwasher is safe for steel, glass, and every kind of utensil except aluminium and iron, because we have a rinsing aid that affects and reacts with the metal on the surface. So you see how many, in fact this is called 8 plate setting, but I have used a lot of dishes here. These are huge dishes, you will see. So I have utilized a lot of space here. You have to spend some time for the setting, and you just have to make sure that we're able to rotate this plate and this one here as well. So the water jet sprays from these blades at a very high pressure, and this is where we put the detergent. This is where we put the rinsing aid. So this is 5 here. The arrow is at 5, that means it's full as of now. You don't need to refill it for a while. The detergent that I've used here is Fortune, and you have to put the salt from that side. So you will see how dirty the dishwasher looks, but I do not worry at all, because everything is going to be cleaned and sanitized. So I have turned it on. If you see red marks here there, that means it's either the plate problem or the detergent problem, the salt problem. You can choose the program here. I use this one normally. You can say it is a time consuming process, but trust me, if both the husband and wife are working, this saves a lot of time. Plus you just load the dishes while you're going to sleep, and in the morning you'll find it all clean. So tell me, if this doesn't save you time, then what else? So let me show you the detergent that I use here. This is the detergent that I use. This is from Fortune. So a dishwasher will have 3 components: salt, rinsing aid. This is the rinsing aid, and detergent. So I've kept it like this. So that's it. Let's wait how the utensils are done after the wash. So the dishes have been washed properly. So I'm turning this off, and let's open it. So you see the detergent has been consumed already, and you see the dishwasher itself is so clean now. Let's take a look at the dishes. It had some water because I kept it like this, so you have to keep it at a slope so that the water gets drained out. You will see how nicely it has washed all the dishes. This is a dinner set, and this is quite a heavy plate. Washing this with my own hands would have made me tired. So and you see I have a lot of bowls here as well. Just take a look how nice, clean, neat, and also sanitized. I think you are already aware of the fact that how dishwasher sanitizes with a jet steam So everything is now nice and clean. So yes, that's the Beko dishwasher for you. Just take a look from the inside. You see, I don't have to worry when my guests arrive every time. I don't have to worry at all. That's the steel kadai, and you can see how clean it has turned out. It has left no stain. That's because it produces so much of steam and heat, therefore the dirt melts down. I hope you will like this review video. Let me know if you want me to review anything else. Thank you.